Hey guys, how are you? This is Fletcher here. This video is going to be a short video on what you will see when you open up the Google Classroom and basically how to find your assignments and resources and materials available on Google Classroom. And you'll notice basically once you open it, you're going to utilize the class code to join the classroom. And the title of the classroom is Flettre HVAC. The first part of the application is going to include the stream, and the stream is simply a list of everything that I have been posting over days and days as I've created the Google Classroom for HVAC. And you'll notice it has a variety of things, and that's just a continuous stream that you're seeing there of the things that are being posted. Also, we'll display any posts you put on this basic stream bulletin board. And you can see Mr. DeLuca has left a comment there. Mr. Ulbrich has left a comment, so you're welcome to do that also. But if you move over to classwork at the top, you're going to see a number of different subjects listed. And underneath those headings are going to be titles for a number of different things. So right at the top, you're going to see that I've posted most recently ESCO live recorded webinars. And underneath that, you're going to see that I have a post for air conditioning and refrigeration technology, electricity for refrigeration, heating, and air conditioning. These are two HVAC textbooks that we have listed here for you. So you can go ahead and download this or take a look at it if you've never been in there before. And further on down, you're going to see a heading for NCCR Connect. This is going to show you how to get into your NCCR resources. And over there, you're going to be able to view on that platform your NCCR textbooks, PowerPoints, etc. And scrolling down further, you're going to see Intro to HVAC module, Intro to Heating module. These are going to be basically, module is another word for chapter. So underneath these titles, you're going to see PowerPoints, videos, lesson plans, and quizzes. We have one quiz listed so far under the heating module that you can go in. I would suggest getting familiar with the layout of this and then start to work through it. So here we have R410A safety and training, for example. This is going to be the grouping for a number of videos and quizzes to help you prepare for your R410A certification exam. We also are going to build one for the Green Awareness certification and also the EPA 608 exam. So that is a basic layout of what we have going so far. And if you would like, you can text me, call me. We can set up a Zoom meeting as well and basically get you started. Where you really want to start is in Google Classroom, checking out all the different resources available to you. Like I said, we're starting mainly in the Intro to Heating module. We have a number of video lectures that I've posted. The links are provided within the post there. For example, this one person has turned in. It's been assigned or is still assigned to 15 others. Just go ahead, take a look at everything you see under classwork and start playing with some of the resources, open up some of the textbooks, and you will find that there's plenty to keep you busy during this COVID-19 pre-distance learning